Hey everyone, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. For today's video, I'm going to create this look using this palette right here. It is the Baroque palette from Colourpop. Colourpop released 3 palettes in this collection. I'm going to create one look for each palette. This is going to be 3 series of videos. I'm going to link the videos in the description box and I hope you guys like them. If you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. this is going so well. I am shook. I am very amazed how these colors are blending, and these shades are incredible. I think I don't have any shadows like this in my collection. It's just amazing. I'm also gonna put this shade Lounge under my eyes. I really want it near my lash line. Get the clean brush. Make it smoky too. Okay, this is really nice. Next shade, I'm gonna get Noble. And I'm just gonna use my finger. That is very subtle, but you can still see the shift of colors. It's so pretty. I take this shade right here, Ritzy. I'm gonna put the shade in the inner corner of my eyes. I think that's it. For my blush, I'm gonna use Too Faced. This one is Love Flush Baby Love, and it is my favorite. This blush is very muted on the cool tone neutral side. This will be nice for the cool tones, all the grays that I put on my eyes.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette in Flash. I'm gonna use the shade Iced.
I believe you when everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying in this real life.
For my lipstick, I'm going to use Eldridge. This one is Velvet Myth. I'm gonna take off the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. This is the Eldridge Velvet Myth. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Going to take a brush and make a little detail. This brush is actually from Hobby Lobby. It's an art brush. It's a Chisel Blender Princeton Velvet Touch brush. And number 2.
Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever.
Alright.
They don't.
Next, I'm gonna put more mascara. This one is Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara.
Don't let go. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't.
For last touch, I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario eyeliner. This one is the Master Pigment Pro Pencil in Rich Blue. So I want something, a touch of blue in my eyes. So I'm gonna put this on my waterline and see if it's gonna pop really nicely.
Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? When everything is see-through, see-through. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, see-through. Yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, see-through. Yeah.
This eyeliner is so pigmented and the color is incredible. I love this color. It looks so elegant, sophisticated, very baroque. I love how this look came out. With the Liza Eldridge lipstick, the Makeup by Mario eyeliner, this palette looks $100 worth. Alright guys, so this is it for the final look. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the look that I created from this palette. This is the Baroque palette from Colourpop. Colourpop did an amazing job with this palette and I love it so much. The colors are very unique. The packaging is amazing. I love the graphics for this palette. Colourpop killed this one and they did such an amazing job. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!